Wifies.
Where did you get that? I tracked your entire inventory, Parrot. How did you get that?
Remember when I threw it off the top of the prison? I went back to pick it up after I tried to kill you. I don't know why I kept it. Maybe because it reminded me of like who you used to be.
I told you before, I killed that version of me, Parrot. I had to. Guards, please!
Wifies. You know what I've realized? I'm not smarter than you. I'm not. This prison, the only reason it's perfect is because of that exact reason. But you know the one difference between us? It's that I never lost hope in you. Every single day, for the past 3 weeks that I was inside of this prison, I thought that at some point, maybe, you'd snap out of it, and you'd realize that what you did was wrong and you'd let us both out. I don't want to do this. I really don't. I don't. You kept on saying that you killed your past self to become who you are today. But both of us know. You will deny it, but both of us know that there's some version of you deep down that wishes that you hadn't done this, that wishes that you hadn't faked your death, and that wishes that you didn't manipulate my friends and kill them, and do all these things to me. And wishes that they could go back. You know that. You're staring at me right now because you know that. Wifies, when I leave this place, when I get out of this prison, just know, even after all that you did, I'm not gonna remember you as the player who did all these horrible things. When people ask me about who Wifies was, I'm gonna remember you as the Wifies that I used to know. The Wifies that cared about other people and was kind to everyone. The Wifies that gave me the spyglass.
Please, Parrot. Please. Give that to me before you hurt yourself.
It's all yours.